Okay, here it is. Here's the magic mystery sound.
So it feels like it's like a small cupboard or a horse killing someone.
Yeah. Keep going, keep going. You're going the right way.
Okay.
Yeah.
This happened in 1974 and was recorded by a pedestrian walking
I
down
think.
the
No, can I hear it one more time? One last time.
Here we go.
Oh, mailbox.
Oh my God, it's so bad.
Is it a mailbox?
My thought was like that it's like a, that it's something hitting a microphone, but that's probably just how they recorded it.
That's called the process of recording the sound that you're hearing. Judi Dench throwing like a bottle of whiskey at someone.
I second that.
Okay. I think it's either a mailbox or a horse doing something.
You are not correct.
That's very, very sorry. But thank you for trying, like so many others.